San Miguel, Sandoval, Santa Fe, Socorro, Torrance, Union, and Valencia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 298 has been issued until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Bernalillo, Chavez, Colfax, Curry, Debaca, Guadalupe, Harding, Lincoln, Los Alamos, Mora, Otero, Roosevelt, San Miguel, Sandoval, Santa Fe, Socorro, Torrance, Union, and Valencia. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque. Thunderstorm warning for west central San Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:15 p.m. Located 9 miles southwest of Las Vegas, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Las Vegas, Romerville, Tecolote, Chappelle, San Agustin, Ojitos, Frios, and Los Montoyas. This includes Interstate 25 between mile markers 326 and 345. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Accumulations of hail on roads can create very slicky and hazardous driving conditions. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: San Miguel, New Mexico. The National Weather Service has issued severe... The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cibola County in west central New Mexico, Valencia County in central New Mexico, northern Socorro County in central New Mexico until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:38 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles south of Mesita, or 19 miles southeast of Laguna Pueblo, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Berlin, Rio Communities, Los Trujillos, Cabaldan, Jaranes, and Los Chavez. This includes Interstate 25 between mile markers 188 and 196. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rains from severe thunderstorms can produce sudden and dangerous flows in arroyos, ditches, and overlow water crossings. Do not attempt to drive through areas where water covers the roadway. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Socorro and Valencia. The National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cibola County in west central New Mexico, western Valencia County in central New Mexico, northern Socorro County in central New Mexico, until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:38 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles south of Mesita, or 19 miles southeast of Laguna Pueblo, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Berlin, Rio Communities, Los Trujillos, Cabaldan, Jorales, and Los Chavez. This includes Interstate 25 between mile markers 188 and 196. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rains from severe thunderstorms can produce sudden and dangerous flows in arroyos, ditches, and overlow water crossings. Do not attempt to drive through areas where water covers the roadway. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight warning for southeastern County, central New Mexico, west central County, central Mexico, until 3:30 Mountain Daylight Time. 2:41 Mountain Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near or 21 miles west of Santa Fe, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Santo Domingo Pueblo, Cerrillos Hills State Park, Cuna Pueblo, Coche de Pueblo, La Bajana, Madrid, La Cienega, Galisteo, Los Cerrillos, and Golden. This includes Interstate 25 between mile markers 252 and 273. Accumulations of hail on roads can create hazardous driving conditions. Motorists along Interstate 25 are urged to exercise extreme caution. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued at 3:30 Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Sandoval and Santa Fe,